this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
So today we are going to unbox or unpack the Zhiyun tripod. So this is the Zhiyun box. If you notice, it looks like a box of vitamins. And also, one thing that I'm actually puzzled is it says in here Zhiyun, but the front says Zhiyun. Anyway, it's in Chinese. And that's the website. It's a lightweight tripod. So maybe you can open it now. It is rather small. Ooh, and that's it. I am actually expecting a label because it looks like a vitamin box. So none. So this is a tripod. Yeah, it's lightweight. It's not really heavy at all.
I'm not sure yet if it's made out of ABS plastic or made out of aluminum.
The full name, by the way, is actually Zhiyun Transmount Lightweight Tripod. So that's it. It's rather small and yep. It doesn't actually say anything about the materials some use for the tripod. And maybe plastic because it's lightweight.
Other than that one, it has rubber pads at the end.
Rubber pads, iwas gas.
So let's try to fit in or try it out on the Zhiyun Q2.
A Q2 Smooth is a stabilizer. It's decent for the size.
So other than that one, it will also add a little grip like this.
Okay, this is for you to avoid most likely holding the buttons.
Yeah.
And it fits a Zhiyun Q2 and other else.
It says Crane M2 if I'm not mistaken on the description in Lazada.
Okay, so it also fits on the Crane M2. Okay, so that's actually it.
Alright. So if you are interested with this product, you can check the description.
Yep. By the way, how much is this again?
About 1,000.
Okay, so this one's worth 1,000 pesos. Okay.
Alright, and also if you have questions regarding this product, you can comment down on the video.
Yeah, you can comment in the section and you can also send us a message if ever.
Alright. So that's it.
Yeah, it's a rather, very short unpacking. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a good one.
And that would be all.
Bye bye.